Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome on your iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have the phone in my hands, so first thing that you need to do, let me close it, just open up App Store like I did, then type Google Chrome, then go into the first one, then click the download button. I have a cloud because I already downloaded it, so just click it and wait for it to load. Just give it some time, it needs to load. It shouldn't take that long, so and then once you see it's already installed, just like in my case, just click open and enjoy your new browser. Thank you guys for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.